Alright class, today we're going to do math, so get out of your homeworks. Yes, Mickey Mouse clone. Can I go to the bathroom? Of course, but be back in 5 minutes, because I'll be starting class soon. You know what? Forget about the bathroom, I am going to turn the school into a tropical rainforest. Ha 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 ha. In 3, 2, 1. Yes! I turned the school into a tropical rainforest. Yes! I turned the school into a tropical rainforest. Yes! I turned the school into a tropical rainforest. What the heck? Why does the school look like a tropical rainforest? Wait a minute, Mickey Mouse clone. Did you just turn the school into a tropical rainforest? Tell me the truth right now. Well, you're going to be mad when I say this. As a matter of fact, yes! I literally turned the school to a tropical rainforest. Mickey Mouse clone, how dare you turn the school into a tropical rainforest? That's it, now you're expelled for 18 days. Go home right now when I call your parents. No 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 no. When Mickey Mouse clone got back home. Mickey Mouse clone, 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 Mickey Mouse clone. Get your butt over here right now before I beat your ass. Oh no! I am screwed big time.
Mickey Mouse clone, how dare you turn the school into a tropical rainforest? You should know that they fixed the school, and now we have to rebuild it again. Thanks to you, that's it.
You are grounded, 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 till your school gets repaired. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Wow.